Hello everybody. Well, what we want to do is to solve this equation up here now. Now this is again a number sentence and we don't know what x is equal to, and we're going to try to figure out what number will make this equation true. Now we'll do this by breaking down the equation until we get to the point where x equals, well, whatever it equals to. So I'll write out this equation again, and then I'll start to break it down a bit. Now I need to get to a point where x equals, or whatever it's equal to. Now the first thing I'll do is I'll times by 2 both sides. Now if I times by 2 both sides, I keep the equation balanced, and see how this part of the equation here is divided by 2? Well, the opposite of dividing by 2 is times by 2. So this part here and this part here will cancel out with each other, and all we'll leave is the x plus 3, and 7 times 2 is 14. Now you can see automatically that from where we started down to here, this equation looks much easier to solve. So we'll continue on now. What we need to do next is to get x on its own. Now we'll do that by getting rid of this plus 3. Now the opposite of a plus 3 is a minus 3. So I'll minus 3 from both sides. So plus 3, minus 3, they're opposites and will cancel out. And we'll just leave the x there on their own. And 14 minus 3 is 11. Now you can see again how I've done a minus 3 on this side and a minus 3 on this side. I've kept the equation balanced so that both sides of the equation have the same thing done to them. Okay, it's an important step in algebra that the same thing is done to both sides of the equation. Alrighty, well I hope that helps, and you can check if you like to make sure that your solution works. Now let's see, if x was equal to 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 divided by 2 is 7, so our solution is correct. X is equal to 11. Alrighty everybody, well I hope that helps, and I'll see you in class.